Both effectiveness and organization are of the utmost importance in the highly competitive home service sector of today. It has become clear that Housecall Pro is the most effective solution available, since it enables businesses and contractors to achieve financial success while simultaneously streamlining their operations. One of the most important questions that frequently arises for those who are contemplating using this platform is, how long has Housecall Pro been in existence? Understanding a company's longevity can be a valuable indicator of its stability, track record, and commitment to the industry. This video delves into the history of Housecall Pro, exploring its journey since its inception in 2013 and its impact on the home service landscape. From humble beginnings to industry leader Housecall Pro's evolution. Founded in 2013, Housecall Pro recognized the need for a comprehensive solution tailored specifically to home service businesses. This industry, encompassing plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and more, often faces unique challenges. Disorganized scheduling, inefficient communication, and convoluted invoicing can eat away at profits and hinder growth. Housecall Pro's founders envisioned a platform that would address these pain points. They developed a cloud-based software as a service, SaaS, solution that offered a centralized hub for managing all aspects of a home service business. The core of Housecall Pro's offering lies in its SaaS platform. This user-friendly software empowers businesses to schedule appointments, manage bookings efficiently, eliminate double bookings, and keep track of technician availability. Dispatch technicians, optimize routing and scheduling to ensure timely service delivery. Automate communication, send automated confirmations, appointment reminders, and follow-up emails to customers. Manage invoicing, generate invoices quickly and easily, track payments, and offer online payment options. Customer relationship management, CRM build customer profiles, track service history, and personalize communication. By harnessing the power of SaaS, Housecall Pro streamlines workflows, eliminates time-consuming administrative tasks, and frees up valuable resources for businesses to focus on what they do best, providing exceptional service to their customers. Building a strong financial foundation with Housecall Pro. Financial experts understand the importance of strong financial management for any business. Housecall Pro goes beyond basic scheduling and communication tools. It provides features that directly contribute to a business's financial well-being. These include automated accounting. Integrate with popular accounting software to streamline bookkeeping and financial reporting. Inventory management. Track inventory levels, minimize waste, and optimize purchasing decisions. Payment processing. Accept online payments securely and efficiently, improve cash flow, and reduce collection time. Job costing and pricing tools. Accurately track job costs, set competitive pricing, and ensure profitability. Housecall Pro equips businesses with the tools and insights they need to make informed financial decisions. This translates into increased profitability, improved cash flow, and a more robust financial foundation. Housecall Pro's impact extends beyond its software. The platform fosters a strong community of home service professionals. Users have access to online forums, educational resources, and peer-to-peer learning opportunities. This sense of community allows businesses to share best practices, troubleshoot challenges, and learn from each other's experiences. This collaborative environment is invaluable for fostering growth and innovation within the home service industry. Housecall Pro not only equips businesses with the tools they need to succeed, but also creates a supportive ecosystem that empowers them to thrive. Since its inception in 2013, Housecall Pro has experienced significant growth. The platform boasts over 40,000 satisfied customers across various home service sectors, including HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and cleaning services. This impressive user base is a testament to Housecall Pro's effectiveness and its commitment to serving the needs of the industry. The company continues to innovate and expand its offerings. Recent developments include the integration of modern financial services and additional business solutions designed to further empower home service professionals. With over a decade of experience, Housecall Pro has established itself as a reliable and trusted partner for home service businesses. Its comprehensive SaaS platform, focus on financial well-being, and commitment to fostering a supportive community make it a compelling choice for businesses looking to streamline operations, achieve financial success, and stay ahead of the curve in the competitive home service industry.